If you're looking for help fixing your Bosch water heater, look no further. Our comprehensive Bosch Water Heater Troubleshooting Guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. The burner does not ignite when hot water is turned on. Verify power to outlet. Make sure that the heater power button is on. Make sure the fuses in the control board are good. You need to remove the control board to access the fuses. Check if the cold water inlet connection is plumbed to the right side of heater when facing unit. Confirm that there is at least 0.5 gallons per minute flow of water, the minimum amount of hot water needed to activate the heater. You can verify this by timing how long it takes to get a container filled. Here's a rough guide. A quart container will take about 23 seconds or less to activate heater. Clean the inlet filter screen. Check the water path for obstructions. Shower heads, faucet aerators and whole house filters should all be clear of debris. Check for plumbing crossover. When this happens in the hot and cold plumbing pipes, back pressure is created on the water flowing through the heater. As such, there will be a higher flow rate than normal needed to activate the heater. Remove the front cover of the heater with the power button on/off and the power supply unplugged. The water is too hot. The chosen temperature on the heater is too high. Try lowering the output temperature and see if it changes anything. Clean the inlet filter screen. Doing this can increase flow through the heater. Check to see if there are any obstructions in the water path. All shower heads, faucet aerators and whole house filters should be clear of debris. Make sure that the gas type of the heater is the same with the type of gas that is being supplied. Clean all shower heads and faucet aerators to avoid restrictive outlets. You might also want to upgrade the shower head to one with a higher flow rate as long as it's allowable by local code. You might need periodic descaling if you live in an area where water has a high mineral content. The water is not hot enough. Check the selected temperature if it's not too low. Adjust this to a higher setting and see if it solves the problem. Clean the inlet filter screen as this can increase flow through the heater. Check to see if the water path has any obstructions. Make sure that all shower heads, faucet aerators and whole house filters are clear of debris. Verify that the gas type of the heater is similar to the gas that is being supplied. Check the inlet gas particle screen for blockage. This can be done by looking at the gas inlet connection located at the bottom of the heater. Make sure that the gas pressure follows what was specified in the manual. If you need a reading, you have to call your original installer or a local certified gas technician to do so. Check for a plumbing crossover. There is low water flow or pressure. There might be too many hot water applications used altogether. Or, there is too much flow being demanded. Your heater can support two 2.0-2.5 GPM shower heads simultaneously or multiple sink applications. A greater draw leads water pressure to drop and flow in the taps will be reduced as well. Make sure that gas pressure follows the specifications listed in the manual. You may need a gas pressure reading for this and you need a gas technician to do this. The temperature selected on the heater might be too high for the flow rate being demanded. If so, the motorized water valve of the heater will close, which leads to reduced hot water flow rate. The unit does this so that it can reach the selected output temperature. You can try to lower the temperature to allow the valve to open up to increase water flow rate.